Hola amigos, I'm Miss Maria and we're here one more time for our cooking show. Today we traveling from Cape Cod to France. Hi Magalie.
Bonjour Maria, bienvenue. Entrez. Hi, bonjour. My name is Magalie Chbarbi. I used to own a French restaurant with my husband, and I really like to cook. So today with Maria, we're gonna make some crepes. We're gonna make the French crepes and we're gonna make the Moroccan crepes, which are two different products. So the French crepes, of course, are made with milk, white flour, sugar, eggs, some butter, and also in the flavor you can do, I love orange blossom. I use orange blossom a lot, but you can also do vanilla. So this is the texture of the sweet crepes that we're going to cook soon. And then once the crepes are made, you can also add any toppings you want. It could be jam, it could be peanut butter, it could be honey, chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, and whipped cream, for example. And then we're going to make the other kind. It's the Moroccan crepes. They are like the size of a pancake with little holes. And this is made with semolina flour. So I use semolina flour. I use some active dry yeast, hot water, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of baking powder. It's a very different process. You put it in a blender and you let it rest for about an hour till it rise up. So this is what we're gonna make today. I'm from France. I'm from a little island called Île de Ré on the Atlantic coast. And I came to America in 1997. First, I went to New York where I met my husband, Jafar. And Jafar is from Morocco. That's why I usually cook French and Moroccan food a lot at home. We're gonna start to make the crepe in a few seconds. And I hope you enjoy the video. But it's because we put some real active yeast, levure de boulanger. So I'm going to put this up a little bit, and we're going to start this soon. To make the Moroccan crepes, you need to have some of those Tefal non-stick pan, the small size like here. No spray, nothing. This is just how it's been made. So, and you see it's super easy. The trick is everything in the batter, and then after you see it's super easy. I'm gonna put like this. I'm gonna see some holes, almost like a crumpet. All right, so our two Moroccan crepes are ready. I'm going to show you what I do after that. Coming out very easy from the pan, just like that, and I let them rest. All right, so now we're going to make the French crepes. So this is my pan. It's usually a very flat, special one. You can't really use a non-stick like a Tefal, but it's called a crepe maker. Some people, they use cast iron. This one, I don't know what it's made of, but it's really good. So I'm going to butter my pan, and now I use ghee because with the ghee, it doesn't burn and it's really much better. So here we go. And then my crepe is right here. All right, I hope that's the first one. So
Oh, that's good.
There you go.
Yeah.
The first one. Let's see. Yum, 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 yum. So it takes about a couple of minutes, and then you flip it, you know. And like I said,
when I said that, you can
yes,
flip it.
well, I want to because they are too big. We flip them in France when the pan is a little smaller. So what I usually do, this is like a dish for pizza, but I use it to put my crepe because it's bigger than a regular plate. And then I'm going to put the crepes on this. However, if you have a crepe party and you have a lot of people, we do make the crepe a little ahead, you know, because it's just too much. And you do like a boiling water thing and you keep it warm to put this on the top with foil, and you can have all your crepes there like fresh. So you see, it's cooking, it's cooking. I think the second one will be even better. The steam.
The steam.
It's not smoke, it's steam. So, you know, there's a big difference. When we had the restaurant, we didn't have a wood like a regular restaurant and, you know, fry food, because it's just the steam. So if you put something burning on your stove, you're gonna have some smoke. But this is just steam, so it's super easy to cook. So now I'm gonna set one of those crepes for my daughter. So usually we do like a triangle like this. Okay, we put some sugar, a little bit of sugar. And then we're gonna do like hazelnut spread, which is like Nutella, but better than Nutella. Okay. And she can spread it after. It's better when it's a little warm. It's easier to spread. And then I made some homemade whip.
Oh, that looks good.
Here you go.
Oh my God.
Bon appetit.
I'm hungry now. Bon appetit. Roll this.
Yeah.
That one is the Moroccan one, right? And just have a bite.
Yeah. Fluffy, huh?
Really good. Say thank you in French.
Merci.
Merci. Merci.